Hello, everyone. Today we're reviewing the Rainten R911 Men's Automatic Watch, a timepiece that takes style and boldness to the next level. This is not just a watch, it's a statement piece designed to stand out. The Rainten R911 features a stainless steel case fully covered in sparkling stones, giving it a high-end street luxury look. The matching stainless steel bracelet is also encrusted with stones, making the watch shine from every angle. At its heart is a mechanical automatic movement, which means it winds itself as you wear it, no batteries required. The watch has a skeleton-style dial that allows you to see the movement in action, adding a layer of sophistication and technical appeal. Its bold size gives it a strong wrist presence, perfect for those who love larger, statement-making timepieces. According to the Gadgeteer review published on August 10, 2025, the R911 is all about combining flash with function. It's durable enough for everyday wear, but is clearly designed for moments when you want to turn heads and make an impression. It's also water-resistant, offering a level of protection for daily activities, although it's mainly intended as a fashion-forward accessory. As for the price, the Rainten R911 is currently listed at $359.99 USD on Amazon, with some offers ranging from $160 to $360 USD depending on the seller and promotions. If you want a watch that blends automatic watchmaking with unapologetic bling, the Rainten R911 might be exactly what you're looking for. What do you think? Too much sparkle or just the right amount? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more watch reviews.